In this video, I'm going to be cleaning underneath and behind this oven. All right, first step, I'm going to pull it out, see what we're working with. Just had a tenant move out and I'm getting this cleaned up before a new one moves in. This is what the side of this oven looks like, so not too bad. I'll get that cleaned up. And then behind, here's all my surprises. Looks like a spoon, some spices, some kitchenware. Get that cleaned up, not too bad. Got it all off except for this one stubborn spot, so I'm gonna go ahead and saturate that. And then I'm gonna use this brush and just go a little slow, push a little bit harder, not too hard though. Don't wanna scratch it up, but this usually gets it off if I do small circular motions. All right, got it all done. Onto this mess. Just gonna go ahead and saturate these spots here. Get the baseboard sprayed up against the fridge. Cabinet real quick. Okay, nice and clean. I'm gonna connect it back up. All right, and that's how you get it cleaned.